When people hear rainy season, they often imagine non-stop storms that ruin an entire trip. But in reality, visiting Thailand during the rainy season is not as bad as it sounds, and for some travelers, it can actually be one of the best times to go. But before we start, welcome to Travel Wisdom. What matters more to you when traveling? Weather or budget? Please tell me in the comments. Now let's get started. First, it's important to understand what the rainy season really looks like. In most parts of Thailand, it runs roughly from May to October, but it doesn't usually rain all day. Instead, you often get short, heavy bursts of rain, sometimes in the afternoon or evening, followed by clear skies again. That means you can still explore, visit temples, go to markets, and enjoy your trip with just a bit of planning. One of the biggest advantages of visiting during this time is the lower cost. Flights and hotels are often much cheaper compared to peak season. Popular destinations like Bangkok, Phuket, and Chiang Mai tend to have better deals, and you'll often find discounts that simply don't exist during the dry season. If you're traveling on a budget, this can make a huge difference. Another major benefit is fewer crowds. During peak months, tourist hotspots can feel overcrowded, with long lines and packed beaches. But in the rainy season, things slow down. You get more space, a calmer atmosphere, and a more relaxed experience overall. Places that are usually busy suddenly feel more authentic and enjoyable. Nature is also at its best during this time. The landscapes turn incredibly green, waterfalls are full, and the countryside looks alive. If you're into photography or just want to see a more vibrant side of Thailand, the rainy season can actually be the most beautiful time to visit. But of course, there are downsides you need to be aware of. The biggest one is unpredictability. Even though it doesn't rain all day, when it does rain, it can be intense. Flooding can happen in some areas, especially in cities like Bangkok, which can make getting around more difficult. Travel plans like island hopping or boat tours can sometimes get delayed or canceled due to rough seas. Beach destinations can also be hit or miss. On islands like Phuket, the sea can be rough, with strong waves and red flags warning against swimming. So if your main goal is perfect beach weather every day, the rainy season might not be ideal. However, not all parts of Thailand experience the same weather at the same time. For example, islands in the Gulf of Thailand, like Koh Samui, often have better weather during parts of the rainy season compared to the Andaman side like Phuket. This means you can still find sunny destinations if you plan carefully. So, is Thailand worth visiting in the rainy season? The answer depends on what kind of traveler you are. If you want perfect weather every single day, this might not be the best time. But if you're flexible, looking to save money, avoid crowds, and experience a greener, quieter side of the country, it can actually be a great choice. What matters more to you when traveling, weather or budget? Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.